In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fun, bouncy text animation in Premiere Pro step-by-step, no sweat. Let's dive in. Start by grabbing the Type tool and typing out your text. Make any tweaks you like, size, font, whatever feels right. Then switch back to the Selection tool, pop open the Effects window and search for Transform. Drag Transform onto the text layer. In Effect Controls under Transform, click the Position stopwatch to set your first keyframe. Next, increase the second position value to push the text downward. I'll go with 640, that's about 100 points lower than the default. Move 5 frames forward, press Shift plus right arrow once. Then click the little reset icon next to Position to bring the text back up. Now let's bounce it up. Change the second position value to 480. Move forward another 5 frames, click Reset again and nudge the text down, let's do 580. Move forward 5 more frames, click Reset once again to bring it back to its original spot. Now for the opacity, go back to the start, create an opacity keyframe and set it to 0. Move forward 5 frames and set opacity to 100, smooth fade in done, let's clean those keyframes up. Zoom in a little and select all of them. Right-click one, choose Ease in under Temporal Interpolation. Right-click again, select Ease Out. This will make the motion buttery smooth. Now let's nest it. Right-click the text layer, select Nest, name it anything fun, bouncy text, sounds good. Click OK. Back in the Effects window, search for Crop and add it to your nested layer. Hold down Alt-click, drag up to duplicate, repeat until you've got 6 layers stacked. If things get messy, resize the track height to keep it clean. Now let's isolate each letter. Start with the first sequence, select it. In Effect Controls, click on Crop to show the handles. Drag the right crop handle inward to isolate the first letter, say it, B. Now jump to the second layer, adjust both left and right crop handles to surround the second letter. Repeat this step for every letter. Yeah, it's a little manual, but totally worth it. Now let's stagger the animation. Move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline. Go 3 frames forward, tap the arrow key 3 times. Slide the second layer to this new spot. 3 frames forward again, move the third layer there. Keep going until all layers form a little animation staircase. And there you have it, a beautiful bouncy text animation with character-by-character charm. Perfect for intros, titles, or just making your edits pop.